It's the discussion of module 2 of your chapter 2, file management, organization of data of your computer book. In this interactive video session, we are going to learn today about how to move or copy the data between the storage devices. In our previous lesson, we had learnt about how to move or copy the data from one drive to the another drive. But in this interactive video session, we are going to learn about how to move or copy the data between the storage devices. Before discussing this topic in detail, we have to know the meaning of three different terms which will be used in this lesson, such as number one, what is the storage device, and what is the meaning of cut and copy, or we can say what is the main difference between the cut and copy. First, I would like to start from the term storage device. What do we mean by the term storage device? See, storage device may be any type of hardware that can be used for storing the data. I repeat, what is the storage device? The storage device may be any kind of hardware that can be used for storing the data. Example, the hard disk, the pen drive, the floppy disk, etc. Now here we have to understand the types of storage device. There are two types of storage devices. Number one is the primary storage device and the secondary storage device. Primary storage device, the example is RAM, random access memory, and the secondary storage device such as hard disk or the pen drive. The secondary storage device may be classified into of two groups, such as internal secondary storage device and the external secondary storage device. What is the example of the internal secondary storage device? Example is the hard disk. You may look over here, the local disk C, the local disk D, and the system G. This is the G drive. These are the example of the secondary storage device, but they are the internal. Clear? And the example of the external secondary storage device is the pen drive. Pen drive is the example of external secondary storage device. Now, what is the difference between the cut and copy? Now see, cut and copy, these are the two executionary options which are mainly used in case of moving or copying the data from one storage device to the another storage device or the between the storage devices. I repeat, copy or cut, these are the two executionary options which are used mainly in case of moving or copying the data between the storage devices. Let's understand what is the meaning of cut. It means when our intention is to permanently remove any selected data from its original position to the desirable area. I repeat, cut, it is the executionary option that can be used to remove permanently the selected data or file or folder from its original position to the desirable area. Let's take the example. If we want to remove any folder permanently from the local D drive to the pen drive, then we have to take the help of this executionary option, the cut option, because it helps to remove permanently the selected data from the local D drive to the external hard disk, external secondary storage device, that is the pen drive. Whereas the copy is also the executionary options, and this can be used to create a duplicate copy. I repeat, copy is also the executionary option that can be used to create a duplicate copy of the selected data or file or folder. This is the function of copy executionary option. I repeat, in a word, cut, this option will be used to permanently remove any data, file or folder from its one original position to the another desirable area. But the copy option will be used to create a duplicate or replicate one of its original content, and it can also be moved or copied from one original position to the another desirable area. This is the main difference between the cut and the copy execution option. Now, what is the main similarity between this cut and copy option? The main similarity is the storage, or move, or to move, or to copy. This is the main intention for using this cut and copy option. I repeat, the similarity between cut and copy is its objectivity, its intention to move or copy any selected data from one desirable area to the another one. This is the similarity of these cut and copy options. Now the main question is how to move or copy the data between the storage devices. In our book, this question can be answered by considering that the selected file or folder from local disk D have to be moved or copied from this local disk drive D to the external secondary storage device, that is the pen drive. And keeping this thing in our mind, we can easily answer the question of how to move or copy the data between the storage devices. Here the concerned storage devices are from the local disk D. This is the internal secondary storage device to the secondary external storage device, that is the pen drive. This is our pathway. From this local disk D, we want to move or copy any data or file or folder to the pen drive. This is our desirable path or desirable area or position. Clear? Now, in order to execute this move or copy of any data between these two storage devices, we have to follow some steps. And the first step is, we have to first attach the external secondary storage device. Let's say the pen drive. This is the pen drive HP V210W. This secondary storage, external storage device first has to be attached with the computer. This is the first step. And after attaching this pen drive to the computer, we have to use the double click option of the mouse, of the left key of the mouse on the computer icon on the desktop. And doing so, we will have such kind of interface in front of us. I repeat, we have to first attach the pen drive to the computer. After this, we have to double click using the left key of the mouse on the computer icon of the desktop, and after doing so, we will have such kind of interface in front of our eyes, where we will see that there are the three drives: local C, local D, and local EG. and there is another, the external drive, that is the HP210WH. This is the external secondary storage device, and our main intention is to either permanently remove or make a duplicate copy of any file or folder by using copy or move from the local D drive to the pen drive. This is the first step. In the second step, we have to click or choose the local disk D drive. This one we have to choose or click with the help of the left mouse button. Clear? We have to select or click the local disk D drive with taking the help of the left key of the mouse. Now, what is the main purpose of doing so? The main purpose is to view its contents which are present in the local disk D drive. In the third step, we have to select the desired file or folder or data that we want to move or copy from the local disk D drive to the external pen drive. Let's say FIS2, this is the selected or desirable data or file or folder, we can say, that we want to move or copy from the local disk D drive to the pen drive. Clear? Up to this, first I repeat, we had to attach the pen drive. Thereafter, we had to double click the computer icon on the desktop. After this, we will have such kind of interface. In the second step, we have to click this local disk D drive in order to see the content present on it. And then in the third step, we have to select the desired file or folder, or we can see the data which we want to move from the local disk D drive to the pen drive. This one. Clear? This is the third step. Now in the fourth step, we have to right click the file or folder. We have to right click that selected file or folder. Right click means we have to use the right button of the mouse, placing on the selected file or folder, and whenever it will be done, the shortcut menu, this one, the shortcut menu will be opened in front of our eyes, and we have to then select the either cut option or the copy option from this shortcut menu. I repeat, after right clicking on the desired or selected file or folder, we will have shortcut menu that will be opened in front of our eyes, and this shortcut menu consists of different options. We have to choose either the cut option or the copy option. As I mentioned earlier, what are the purposes of using cut option and the copy option? In this case, we are free to choose either the cut option or the copy option. If our intention is to permanently remove the selected file or folder data from the local disk D drive to the pen drive, then we have to select the cut option. Or if we want to just make a duplicate or replicate copy of the selected data or file or folder, then we have to choose the option of copy from the shortcut menu. This is the fourth step. I hope this is clear. Now in the fifth step, we have to click the pen drive icon. This is the pen drive icon, and we have to select or click this pen drive option by choosing the left key of the mouse. And after selecting this pen drive, here it is known as the H drive, we have to use the right click option of the mouse by placing on the blank area of that pen drive interface. This is the totally pen drive interface. This is the black portion or area of the pen drive. These are the few files which are present in the pen drive, but in order to move that previously selected file or folder, we have to use the right click option of the mouse by placing in this blank area of the pen drive, and after doing so we will have such kind of shortcut menu once again in front of our eyes. And by considering different options, we have to choose the paste option, this one. We have to choose the paste option, clear, from this shortcut menu option. This is the step 5th. And after choosing the paste option, the selected data file or folder, that was the first 2, will be automatically moved or copied in the pen drive from the local D drive. This is how we can easily move or copy any data, selected data or file or folder from the local D drive or any storage device to the pen drive. Thanks for watching.